I'm Asset, this is Oats, and let's make some curry udon. Let's start off by chopping up some leeks. So diagonally slicing the white bits of our leek, because everything tastes better on an angle, it's just science. Then take your fancy pants leeks and pop them off to the side. Into your 100 yen coffee filter, put your 100 yen coffee filter paper in there and then fill this boy up to the brim with bonito flakes. Now once it's been piled on enough, let's pour in our boiling water. Make sure that your coffee filter is so close to the camera that your audience can't see what's coming out the bottom. But take it from me, it's probably 500 ml of piss-coloured, beautiful smelling Dashi Stock. Now once the last of that water is drained away, let's take it off and again make sure that nobody sees what's going on, and then that's prep done, so let's head over to the flame. Place your Dashi Stock into a medium-sized pot because we're going to start in with our soup base. We're going to pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce because them dried fish flakes just aren't salty enough for us. Once they're in there, we're going to pour in, very cautiously apparently, 2 tablespoons of mirin, or 2 parts rice wine vinegar with 1 part sugar. And 2 tablespoons for yourself as well as a glass for you, because how else are you going to repress your memories of middle school? On a high heat, add in your leeks, along with about 200 grams of the cheapest pork cuts you could find in the supermarket. Give everybody a mixity mix to make sure nobody's sticking together, and then with the ladle of justice, skim off any scum on the top there. Doing this helps get rid of any extra bitterness, and continue to cook on high. Now for the curry part of our curry udon, add in 3 tablespoons of curry powder. Note that this is the Japanese version of curry powder, which does have some extra things like thickeners and oil to thicken everything up. If you can't get your hands on this form of curry powder, I'd recommend using curry roux. But if you're going to do that, add that in towards the end. Now after a good tablespoon of sugar, give everybody a nice mixity mix, and then add in a 2 parts water, 1 part starch mix in there. Everybody a nice mix, hello body. And that's your soup done, ladies and gentlemen, so let's move on to the noodly nudes. Into a large fry pan with a bunch of boiling water in it, add 3 lots of frozen udon noodles in there. Give everybody a quick shakedown to make sure that everybody's not sticking together. And because these are fresh frozen noodly boobly boobs, they will only take about 3 minutes. And done-ski run-ski, it's time to plate up, lads. Add into your serving bowl a large amount of noodly nudes, strained for everyone's pleasure. Now on top of our wiggly white wormies, we're going to pile on our soup. But while pouring, please make sure that you are giving yourself extra meat because screw the other people in the room. And now that you have successfully drowned your white wormy worms, as well as taken all the best bits for yourself, surprise your audience by off-camera chopping up some leeks, of course on the diagonal, to make a nice garnish, along with the illusion that we're eating a little bit more veg than we are. Shake on some shichimi, or Japanese 7-spice mix, and there you have it. You've just made curry udon. Congratulations. Our drink today is Barrel Rich Taste, because home brand beer is genuinely just as good as the regular beer here in Japan. If you're tired after a hard day's work, there is nothing better than sitting down to a nice warm bowl of Udon Noodle Soup. And all of those spices from the curry will warm you right up. Now if you can't find any frozen udon, there's always packet udon. Just cook according to the packet, you'll be fine. In any case, go straight to your local Asian market, you'll be fine. Now a lot of Japanese people just make this out of leftover curry, using Dashi Stock to thin out the soup and then just adding noodles. And if you did have a go at our Japanese curry video, that might be a good option for you as well. So whether you're just using up leftover curry or you're trying this from scratch, I hope you have a go. Till next time.